Hi, good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing well at your home. So, today we are going to complete some exercises given in page number 35 to 39. Okay, so the first question is what? First one is the meanings of some words are given below. Find the words in the grid and write them in blanks. Okay, so in page number 35 we can find out one question. Some meanings are given here from A to J. Okay, some meanings are given here. You have to find out the word from this grid. Okay, first question. A school for young children. What is the one word for that? A school for young children. So, first of all, you have to go through this. Okay, in the word grid, from the first row, we can find out the answer. It's what? Nursery. Okay, nursery is the place or is the school for young children. Second one, a group of sheep. What is the collective noun used for a group of sheep? What is that? Yes, it's flock. So, from this word grid, you will get all the words. So, for you, I am going to read out the questions. But you have to find out that. Third one, the sound of a clock which wakes you up. So, if you want to get up early in the morning, you will set something in your mobile phone or in your clock. What is that? Yes, it starts with the letter A. Now you have to find out which is the word that from the word grid, okay? Then D, short form for a doctor who treats sick animals. What is that? It's vet, okay? V-E-T. Then E, a deep cut. Then a book that contains maps of countries. Then a feeling of extreme happiness. Next one, a place for higher studies. A violent storm. An image that has three-dimensional effect under suitable light. So you will get all these words from the word grid. Okay. But anyway, I will tell you one time which are the words. First one, a school for young children is nursery. A group of sheep flock, the sound of a clock which wakes you up, it's alarm. A short form for a doctor who treats sick animals is vet. Then E, a deep cut, it's a wound, okay. Then a book that contains maps of countries is atlas. Then a feeling of extreme happiness is delight, D-E-L-I-G-H-T. Then H, a place for higher studies. It's university. University is a place for higher studies. A violent storm is tempest. Then an image that has three-dimensional effect under suitable light. It's hologram. Okay, now you have to find out all these words from the word grid. Then next one is form 10 words from the given word. Okay, dinosaur is the word given here. By using this word dinosaur, you have to find 10 words. For example, you can find out what? Rain, soar. Okay, then what? Sand, sun, road. Okay, so you have to find out 10 words using the word dinosaur. Okay, it's very easy for you that you can do it by yourself. Okay, then solve the puzzle with the help of clues given below. So I know all of you like puzzles and all of you like to solve puzzles, isn't it? Yes. Now, so the opposite of wide, it ends with the letter W. What is that? Yes, it's narrow. Then the plural of tooth. What is that? Tooth. Yes, it's teeth. Then C, the child of one's uncle or aunt. What is that? Yes, it's cousin. Sorry, children. To gain knowledge by being taught. What is that? Yes, learn. An elephant has this. It starts with the letter T. Huh? Yes, tusk. T-U-S-K-S. Now, the opposite of weak. What is the opposite word for weak? Yes, strong. Then, the opposite of rough. Smooth. S-M-O-O-T-H. Then, to remain on the surface of water and not sink. Yes, it's float. Then, bread is made of this. It's flour. F-L-O-U-R. Then, the lower surface of a room. What is the lower surface of a room? Yes, it's floor. F-L-O-R. Next exercise. Use the words in the box to answer these questions. So in the box we can find out some words. Some words are given in green color, yellow and red. So dwarf, ocean, boat, crumb, mountain, elephant, molehill, whale, ship, tree, castle, mouse, ant, cat, fly, rabbit, giant, grain, lion and hill. Okay. So first question, which things are huge? So this word huge is given in blue color. So find out the word that matches the word huge. Huge means very big in size. Not big, but it's more than big. Okay, huge. Then which things are big? Then you have to find out which things are small and which things are tiny. Okay, huge is the synonym of big and small is the synonym of thin. Synonym means another word. Okay, so it's very easy. You just find out that. Next one is also solve the word puzzles. First letter for each word is given. Now before doing this fifth exercise, you just listen children. Some words are there. That words have same pronunciation but its meaning and spellings are far different. Okay. For example, sun. S-O-N and S-U-N. Both the two words have same pronunciation but its meaning and spellings are different. That is what homophones. Words that have same pronunciation but at the same time have different meaning and different spelling. Okay. Loud ringing of a bell. What is it called? Loud ringing of a bell. It's peal. P-E-A-L. P-E-A-L. Next one. Take the skin out of a fruit. We used to do this with orange. Yes, we peel orange. Peel. P-E-E-L. Okay. See, two things that go together. Two things that go together. What is that? A dash of shoes. A dash of socks. Yes, pear. P-A-I-R. Then, sweet juicy fruit. It's pear. P-E-A-R. Then, the part of legs below the ankle. It's feet. F-E-E-T. F. A remarkable achievement. It's F-E-A-T. Okay. Then, G. Easy to see or hear to understand. That means plain. P-L-A-I-N. Then H. A tool used for smoothing the surface of a wood. So what? Plain. P-L-A-N-E. Okay. Market, especially for cattle, farm products, etc. Health periodically in a particular place. It's fair, F-A-I-R. The price charged for a passenger to travel by bus, ship or taxi. Okay. It's fair, F-A-R-E. Then, separate into two or more by a blow. It's break, B-R-E-A-K, B-R-E-A-K. Okay, children. Now, next one is apparatus to reduce the speed of a bicycle, car or train. It's brake, B-R-A-K-E. So here children, in this question number 5, pairs of homophones are given here. So it's very easy to find out. So from question number M to R, you try to write, okay. Then last one is solve these rhyming riddles. So some riddles are given here. Its answers are nouns, okay. All the answers are nouns. I live in oceans, rivers and sea. When I am cold, I float. When I am hot, I am free. What is that? I live in oceans, rivers and seas. When I am cold, I float. When I am hot, I am free. What is that? We used to drink this every day. What is that? Yes, water. W-A-T-E-R. My feet stay warm, but my head is cold. No one can move me. I am just too old. I repeat, my feet stay warm, but my head is cold. No one can move me. I am just too old. What is that? What is that? Yes, it's mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Okay, it's mountain. Next one. C. I run all day and never walk. I have a big mouth, but I never talk. I run all day and never walk. I have a big mouth, but I never talk. What is that? What is that? Just think of that. What is? Yes, it's river. Okay, R-I-V-E-R. I touch the earth. I touch the sky. But if I touch you, you will surely die. I touch the earth. I touch the sky. But if I touch you, you will surely die. What is that? What is that? Can you guess? Yes, it's simple. It's lightning. L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G. E. Never darkness do I see. Not even a shadowy place. You can see me all day, though I may burn your face. It's sun, okay, the sun. F. I run away every day and return every night. I am disliked by flowers and a thief's delight. A thief's delight means happiness. A thief's happiness. What is that? Yes, it's darkness. Okay, children. So, today in our class WhatsApp group, you can find out the answers of all the exercise that we discussed in the last class and today's. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day, children.